Papi, consegui, niggas já tão de Papi, consegui.
Okay, so we're now leaving the cafe and heading to I'm gonna take some photos. Yeah.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No, say I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got keys. Please, for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. Please, for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. They said you got high as the sky. Up all night just dancing. Oh.
Okay, so I'm by the library and hall. I just saw you from the previous clip. So I'm gonna take some pictures here and I will talk to you guys in a bit after I finish taking the photos, okay? So yeah, I'll be taking content. Such a content day. Hey guys, hey, good morning. So right now I'm actually trying to fix back my hair because I'm using the As I Am curl jelly. I'll be honest, it's my first time using it. This will be my last time using it. I don't like the formula of it. It just feels weird. Anyway, so today is such a productive day for me. I have a few things that I have to do today. I have, oof, you see, yeah. So I have a video. I have 2 videos to do. So I'm kind of like rushing to prepare. I was supposed to start at 6 this morning, but I overslept. I just wanted to get those done. So, but anyway, just trying to fix this here. So today is gonna be such a productive day for me. And the sun is out finally. Just hope to rain fall. Cause you know how The UK is very bipolar. I'm currently right now uploading the vlog to go up Sunday and another video to upload as well. So I'm trying to maximize my time. And these rollout of these videos on them. I don't know why. Sometimes I hit my hair sometimes, you know. I did a braid out, but I realized when I did the braid out, the ends of my hair, watch, it wasn't done. So I'm kind of like rushing through to kind of put back some kind of definition at the end because the end got frizzy. Anyway, let me do this and hurry up quick, head downstairs to start that video. And I have a play to go to later, so might include that into like a week, like a day in my life. So this is basically a day in my life. Anyway guys, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I'm hustling right now to go and set up for this video. I'm downstairs, so you guys will be following me every step. It basically is like a day in my life kind of video. This outfit is so cute though. Like this. I can see myself going out like this. Anyway, let me go. I look like a Puerto Rican. I look like Spanish. Bitty bitty bumba. Yeah, so okay, let me go and start the thing. My battery's charging, so I'm going downstairs. Alright guys, I'm gonna take you downstairs with me. Alright, so I'm coming back. Alright guys, so I'm actually headed downstairs to start the recording process for this video. Just forget anything? No, I had the battery in my hand, yeah. See the camera, I had to charge the battery because the battery for it was dead. Sorry, the kitchen right now. Ooh. That's good. Right, perfect. So I'm using this Put this back in the batch. In the case. I use my T5i on this. So this is an actual day in my life. These are the contents that I should be posted up on YouTube. But my thing with posting contents on YouTube, what the fuck you want? Hate when people come into your let's start that all over again. Yeah. My thing with content, with doing content actually, is getting the audience. Being in the UK here for literally 3 months. It's literally been 3 months since I've been here, and sorry, I was just trying to fix this. Or probably when I set it up on the thing, I will fix it. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. So I should be doing more content, like I was saying, like this, and getting people, like, being more out there. But my thing is the audience. Like, it's kind of difficult, I would admit, getting people to really look at your stuff, view your things, like, you know, see you. So now that I'm actually now doing it more and getting back into the groove of things now, consistency is the key. Since I've been here, this thing is so bent. Jesus Christ. Sorry guys, I have now realized that you guys were so bent for a while. Just alright. Yeah, like I was saying, consistency is the key. And what's the time? Right, it is 10:51, so I have to get all this done before a particular time. Anyway, so this is the life of an influencer and a content creator. But basically, influencer and content creator, yeah, content creator. Child, I don't want this fall. Right. I just wanted to guide it onto it. Okay. Yeah. So like I said, I have some videos coming. Oh. That's alright, so start getting heavy. Anyway, yeah. I have some videos coming. I'm not gonna use any lighting because I think if I use lighting it will be fake. I ain't want that thing. Sorry guys. So I'm going to record this what do I eat in a day content for YouTube. Have my content rolling, and I will check back in you guys in a bit. I have a sit down video after this, so I will come back before I set up, when I'm setting up for that content. So talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I'm still recording. So I did breakfast, which was oats. I have lunch here. Lunch was just a sip for me. Dinner is gonna be a big meal, but I can't flip dinner. I can't record dinner now because it doesn't make sense, guys. Too much food, and I have to eat it. So these are the things that goes into content creating. You have to eat what you bake. or if you have people in the house, they can eat what you make. Anyway, so yeah. From doing that, this oats, this granola and yogurt snaps all the time. So yeah, you guys like my little get up. Anyway, my head partially dry, the middle still wet, here still wet, but the end still dry. Booty. Anyway. I'm gonna do my sit down video in this. Anyway, let me go and do that sit down video now and come back to you guys. It is so fucking cold. Hey guys, so I'm done. Ooh. I am done. Sorry. I'm not done, but I have recorded. Sorry, it's kind of bright in here because I have on this light. Let's watch. You see? Anyway, yeah. Sorry that I was kind of thing because I had to record this video. I have to. I have on this comforter hoodie set because trust me, it's like freezing cold in this living room here. Also, I recorded the travel review for the UK. That's the video I just did. What I ate in a day. So, I already have the weekly vlog. The next video that I have is the skin video. I already did that already. Clean with me, I'm gonna do that Saturday. I ordered something on Amazon for my hair. It should arrive. Let me check. With regards to Amazon. Guys, I've been waiting for this company that I booked my flight on to send me the email with regards to my booking, but I haven't received it as yet. Also, because I made a new booking, but my thing is I need a new confirmation date and stuff. And here's the messed up part about it. The name on the confirmation, it is not mine. So I told the guy over the phone, I was like, hi, I got the confirmation email, but I'm seeing some, I used someone's card to book previously when I was first coming here, to book my flight. So their name is on the card, right? It was on the ticket as a booking. But when I'm checking when I did over the whole flight now, I'm seeing their name as the passenger. So I'm on the phone with the guy and I'm telling him, I'm like, hey, I'm seeing the person who card that I used to book the flight name on this flight. He's like, no, and your name is Adrian Moore. Yes, I said that is the passenger. I said, yes, I'm the passenger. So why am I seeing the confirmation as that name? He's like, no. When you get your new the email that we are sending, he said it comes in like within 24 hours. So he said that you will get your new your name will be there. I'm like, okay, just open, and I spelled it out for him. I am not going to pay for any extra money if they turn to say, oh, okay, yeah, for our assistance, you have to pay us £30. No, it's something that is on your behalf. I asked this from the jump. So let's hope and see that the name on the new booking is my name. Because if it's not, I'm going to raise hell. Anyway, so what I was going to do? Oh, Amazon. Yes, I have to track my order. And this is with Prime. Prime's supposed to come, they say, arrive tomorrow. So it's supposed to be dispatched out for delivery, and then by tomorrow I should be able to get it. Also, I made an appointment with my hairdresser for when I go back to Trinidad. But that's like the week after, and then I have work. So yeah. Also, what else again? Alright. I have to make a video for Infinite because the 21st is the cutoff date for them for their YouTube, for their influencer masterclass. So I have to make that for them. I'm thinking I need to make that today, but I'm not gonna do an actual sit down video. I'm gonna do like a kind of slideshow kind of presentation piece. So I'm gonna go upstairs on the laptop and create that kind of slideshow piece for on my video editor. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, just that's it. And post that on my Instagram. Yeah, I'm gonna post that for my Instagram today. That I have today. Today that has to go up until the 21st. What I eat in a day, that's what I was doing this morning. I couldn't even finish the lunch. It's still there. I didn't even have a snack yet. Alright, skincare video. Oh, I have to make a thumbnail for my YouTube video that is uploading right now. I don't know, I've been so busy this week here, like everything is just so back to back to back to back to back. So yeah, that's it on my itinerary list, and let me go upstairs now. Already done. I think the last portion of my what I eat in a day, I'm gonna record that tomorrow night. I'm gonna make the pasta with all the stuff because I was supposed to make it tonight, but I'm actually going out tonight, so I think I could make it earlier. Actually, I would make it earlier before I go to that event. And yeah, and that's about it for the rest of the day. I am so I have Anyway, let me go and organize. So yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is for my regular vlog. I am mad. So I uploaded a video onto YouTube. Here is the BS behind it though. Now, previously I did not check the copyright thing. Now, if you get music from SoundCloud, yes, they are free music, and then they are music that already have copyright on it. So when you're doing that, please check out that on your before you upload a video. For anyone who is on YouTube here, any of my subscribers who wants to upload video and you want to take music from SoundCloud, please check first before you do that, and don't be like me that run into problems. So here's the little quick story now. So the video is uploaded. I get an email from YouTube. We block your content from public viewing. So I'm like, why? When I check the thing, they say because I use a copyright song. When I go back into the video and check the music, there it is again. It was a song that I had argued at somebody, thinking that nothing will think on it, but damn. Anyway, so now I have to delete the video. Mind you, it's already uploaded. Delete the video, go back into my editor, remove the song, add in a new song, export that new video now. Going to upload that video. So I'm thinking that, you know, everything will be on time today. No, it isn't, because I already created the thumbnail for it. So yeah, that's what happens when you are a content creator. There's always a hiccup. There's always a hiccup. But anyway, guys, so I'm at that hotel. I'm so sorry. You know, just over it. Anyway, so yeah, again, that's sorted out, and once that is done, the video should be up by tomorrow. I'm trying to see if I can get it uploaded by tonight, so by tomorrow you will be able to see the video. So yeah, that's that. Today is such a gorgeous day. I can see the sun beaming through. I'm actually I want to head out. I want to enjoy the day, probably just go to the park, because today is like everywhere closed. So anyway, so I'm gonna do that. I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. Let me just try to sort out this BS that is happening. Hey guys, I know Deluxe is back, and I was seeing it was out, but it's back. I'm actually in the kitchen right now, and I'm going to make banana bread. Like, I have so much of bananas here that is going bad, so I wanna basically get them make banana bread with them. I have pumpkin seeds to put in it. So yeah, yeah, so that's what I want to do tonight. I want to make some banana bread. Bitch, focus on me. Yes, give back the lighting. And that's about it. I went to the grocery earlier. I got granola. Let me just show you guys a quick haul. I got granola. This is the Jordan's Crunchy Oats granola, and this one is the tropical fruits. I'm seeing pineapple, pawpaw, coconut, banana, and something else again. And probably have whatever nuts, sorted nuts it have in it. Also got butter. This is for the banana bread. I got melted butter, so you know. I know, so you don't have a microwave here. Sorry if you don't hear me. Yeah. So I got this is the best juice. If you're in the UK, please get one of the juices from Asda. It tastes really good, especially this yogurt. This is the first time I'm gonna have this yogurt. This is the Onik, whatever. I know it look right side up to me, to you guys. But anyway, this is mango papaya. Let me see, like, let me get all British with you here. It is mango papaya and passion fruit. Yeah, so that's what I'm having. So I'm gonna start making this because it's almost 7:50 and it's still bright outside, almost 8 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm gonna start this now. Damn, double homicide. And I will come back to you guys once it kind of I'll show you guys the process. So talk to you guys in a bit. All right. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm finished making it. It's in the oven right now. If you smell the aroma of that banana bread, oh my god. I didn't show you guys when I was mixing it because I was trying to get it so quick, because right now it's 9:22. It's kind of late, but yeah. So that's what I was doing. God, I wouldn't lie. I'm tired.
And I suppose you think it's polite to steal.
I'm watching Made in Manhattan right now. I don't know why am I yelling. Why am I yelling? Yeah, watching Made in Manhattan right now. With
We have it all on video.
and yeah, that's it. So I just want this banana bread to finish. I make like little cupcakes kind of things, so you know when you're eating it, you can, you know. So take me on, people. Oh.
No, Chris, darling, that's my name. She steals.
So I'm just going through Aaliyah's face Instagram. Ooh, focus, baby girl, focus. So I'm going through Aaliyah's face Instagram to find inspo to post, because I have content to post. Trust and believe, I have so many photos to post, but I don't post. How to put it? The last time I post was when? Anyway, what I do, I normally post on a Friday. Every Friday, you will get like a new photo from me, or a new reel every Friday. So I know I have to post one this Friday, so I don't know which to do, so I'm still looking. I was to tell you guys, look at my case to my AirPods Pro. There's a case for it. It's so cute. It's very bougie. This is me. This kind of style, this kind of like splash paint kind of thing. This is so me. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, oh, more outfit. I went to I told you I went earlier. So I have on this top here, pants and primer, and I have on house shoes at this present time. I had on my white shoes to go, so that was it also. Yeah. So let me just wait on this and I will come back and show you guys where the bread and steak. I will promise I'll come back. Guys, as promised, this is the banana bread that I made. Kind of love the India, but yeah, can catch it, Jeff. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Hey guys, good morning. I know from yesterday, after I show you guys that banana bread, whatever device, it came out kind of bad. It didn't come out good. I'm sorry, it didn't come out good. It didn't. Hold on. Child, I got frightened. I didn't know where it was that. But that is the mail. Somebody, when they send a mail, they could push it through the thing. Anyway. Whew, I got Friday. What the fuck is that? I'm here by myself, so I'm like, the fuck? I'm having some tea this morning. I'm having this oversized warmers. Yeah, so like I was saying, I'll put some more oil on my face. Anyway, yeah, but oh, so I got dry. Put some more oil. But I think the oil got in my eye and then my eye kind of weak. Anyway, this eye feeling way down. So I was saying, yeah, it didn't come out too good. It didn't, but it tastes good, but it didn't come out too good. So yeah, I think I was supposed to leave it like cook longer. But anyway, beyond that, yeah, after I think that I just went upstairs and I went to sleep because I was like pretty much tired and kind of passed out. Got up around 3 in the morning and went back to sleep again. So yeah, right now I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. I know I'm sounding lackluster right now, so it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up and yeah, that's about it for this morning. I just wanna relax. I'm thinking of taking the bike out and go and do a bike ride around because it's such a nice day today and everyone in school and work, so it's less people on the road, on the streets. It's now what, 10:57. I want to do it before the midday traffic starts and stuff. So yeah, I have a couple videos to edit and that's about it. I don't know what I'm doing later now. Yo, before I go, so I was looking at this thing called, well, there's a place in the UK called Blackpool. So I'm like, oh, okay, like I heard the name but I didn't really take it, so I was like, oh, whatever. But guys, like Blackpool, like, how do I explain it? Blackpool is the UK's Las Vegas. Blackpool has Ferris wheel, roller coaster, and you know a bitch want to ride a roller coaster. And in the night, it looks like the Las Vegas Strip because it's so much of lights and casinos and this, that, the other. So I'm like, how? I never knew about that. How, Fred? How? But yeah, I was so shocked when I watched it on YouTube. I was like, that's somewhere I have to go. No, trust me, I'm going. And it's not too far from where I am. Let me check it on the map. I was really surprised though. It's not that far. If you guys could see it on the map, I'm down here. Blackpool is right there. It's just like, it looks like a train ride over. It really does look like a train ride over. Yeah, it is. It's a full-on amusement park. I'm going. Anyway. Yes, look the picture roller coaster. First wheel look like it have an Eiffel Tower. And it has a direct train to there. When it driving is like 1 hour and 60 minutes, it's not that bad. Anyway, let me sip my tea and clean up in the place. I'll talk to you guys later. Don't worry, I got time.